This is a 2008 BMW 3 Series, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a turbocharger, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, brake assistance technology, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.